Hi, in today's video I wanted to do like an overview of what was announced yesterday by Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook, that they've opened a new app on Facebook and Instagram, soon to be updated for Messenger and WhatsApp. There are other platforms owned by Facebook at this point in time. So at this time, the Messenger and WhatsApp are not quite ready, Mark said yesterday. But they will be forthcoming in the next few weeks probably. I want to do an overview for what we do know about Facebook Shops today. And this is the second day since the rollout. And what we're going to do is, first off, for information, you can come to Google and put in Open Facebook Shops. And you're going to get a page here, which is going to take you to Facebook Help Business. It's going to be links for these pages. So from here, you can click on this link right here, and it'll take you to this page here, Business Help Center from Facebook, Facebook Page Shops. This is going to give you an overview for it. What I want to do is I'm going to provide in the description some links to a couple pages that you might want to read through and find out where your business matches up with what Facebook is doing with the Page Shops, Facebook Page Shops app. What they're doing is they're going to allow you to create from your Facebook page. You're going to be able to add to your Facebook page more information. You can change a template. There's a place here that they're talking to you about. So when you're on this page, what you can do is you're going to find information that you need to know about. And what I want to do is just introduce you to a couple of these links and a couple of pages, basically give you the information where you can find out where to go to get the information. What you're going to do first is there's a page called Create a Facebook Page. And what that's going to do is it's going to look like this. And it's going to tell you how you can create a page for yourself. And what you're going to do, there's some links here that I'm going to emphasize you should go to find out exactly what's involved and what they're going to do. If you're new to Facebook and Instagram for marketing, you're probably going to want to go to this link here. It's going to they're going to give you a lesson on how to work with the platforms, Facebook and Instagram, on how to set up a shop. Now, basically what you're looking at is some of your business situations, let's say, may not apply at the moment to business shops. What you're probably going to want to do is find out from reading these links where you fit. Like, I have a few Facebook pages, but they do not sell products online. They sell them more linking to my website, let's say, as a promotion for my website. So that's being used as a promotion, a social platform. But Facebook can also be used to market products. So let's take a look. Okay, so let's say if you have an account on Facebook already, you have a Facebook page that you use socially to promote a website. If you decide that you want to start selling physical products. Now, Mark did say yesterday on the video that this is specifically set up for physical products, as in like a store to replace, because of the coronavirus and the economy being where it is today. They want to help out. Now, what they're doing is they're going to allow you to take your Facebook page, and you're going to be able, this is going to explain how you can edit your page and change your template, Facebook shop page template, which will lead you to be able to set up the situations that you need to run a shop, a Facebook shop. So what you're going to do is there's another link here. This talks about the marketplace, listing our partners in UK. If you have inventory currently on Marketplace, which has been on Facebook for a couple years now, you can transfer that to Facebook Page Shop as well. So that was one thing Mark talked about yesterday, was just how interactive this would be, to a point that it was something you probably couldn't afford to do or have the skill to do, but you can take advantage of their AI that they have built into their apps. Now, if you are on Instagram, they have a page about Instagram shopping and how this will incorporate. Now, I know Mark mentioned yesterday that they're going to put another tab at the up by the profile in the top part of the facing for Instagram, which will be called Discovery, and you can click on that. It'll take you to shopping area and discover new products that you can purchase through Instagram. So that's exciting there. Now, there are some agreements that I thought you should look at. There's a Commerce Product Merchants Agreement, and you should probably read down through this to find out what it is you can do with this and what you can't do with it. There was a link here. It's about commerce policies, and what I found here was there are steps to take, an overview of the policies, community guidelines. There's steps to take if disapproved, prohibitive content. And what they're going to do is they're going to talk about community standards here, but they're going to talk about products that you cannot list on Facebook shops, such as adult products, alcohol, animals, can't sell body parts and fluids, can't sell digital media, and electronic devices. Okay, gambling is out, hazardous goods and prop materials, human exploitation and sexual services, ingestible supplements. I found that interesting. There's a whole list of them there that you'll want to look at. These are no-go as well. So you pick up over here with jobs, get-rich-quick schemes, and no multi-level marketing opportunities. And you can go down through your medical health care products, misleading, deceptive, and offensive products, and pharmaceutical drugs, drug paraphernalia. And so basically, they have it covered. That's important that you read that and know that information. Facebook is going to be providing large amounts of support to this. They want to give to the community, help to small businesses that have been affected by COVID-19 throughout the United States and throughout the world. They want to be able to help you get your business into an online presence if you haven't been there already. If you maybe sell gardening supplies or anything seasonal like lawnmowers, something like that, you can now set up a Facebook Shops page and sell them there. The thing is, you want to follow the guidelines, follow the policies, set the page up as they tell you. But the thing is, it's most important is that it's there for you to use. It's definitely worth checking into. I would definitely go back here and check. There's a lot of information becoming available online. There's more videos like this one of myself and other friends that have created. They're there to help you out, help you get started with Facebook Shops. So that's it for my overview for Facebook Shops today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we publish new content to our channel. So thank you for watching today, and so long.